Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a very powerful technique for your web projects. We are going to learn how to connect your Webflow Collections directly to a Firebase database. This is a game changer if you want to build more dynamic, scalable, and interactive websites. You might want to do this to display real-time data, manage a large amount of content programmatically, or even show user-specific information, all things that go beyond the standard Webflow CMS. Let's get started. First, you'll need a Firebase project. Head over to the Google Firebase console, create a new project, and give it a name. Once you're in the project dashboard, you need to set up the database. Go to the Build section and select Firestore Database. Create a new database and, for the sake of this tutorial, start it in test mode. This allows us to easily read and write data while we're developing. Next, you need the connection keys. Go to your project settings, scroll down to your apps, and click the web icon, / to register a new web app. Firebase will then show you a configuration object with details like your API key and project ID. Copy this entire block of code, it's essential for making the connection. Now, let's jump into Webflow. Inside your project, add a collection list element to your page. Design the very first item in that list exactly how you want your dynamic data to be displayed. This single item will act as our template. To make it easy for our script to find, give the main collection list wrapper a unique ID, like data wrapper. Then, select the template item itself and give it a unique ID, like template item. The final step is to bring it all together with some custom code. In your Webflow site settings, go to the Custom Code tab. We're going to add our script in the footer code section, right before the closing /body tag. The first thing you'll paste in is a script tag that imports the Firebase libraries from their CDN. You can find the latest links in the official Firebase documentation. Below that, add another set of script tags for your custom code. Inside these tags, you'll first paste the Firebase config object you copied earlier to initialize the connection. Then, you'll write a JavaScript function that tells Firestore which collection to fetch data from. Once Firebase sends the data back, your script will loop through each document. For every document, it will find your template item on the page, create a perfect clone of it, and then populate the clone's text and image elements with the data from the Firebase document. Finally, it will append this new, populated item into your data wrapper. A quick pro tip is to set the original template item to display, none in your styles, so only the items loaded from Firebase are visible. And that's the core process. Your Webflow site is now fetching content live from Firebase. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps you build amazing things. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more web development tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next one.